doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker ham and potato casserole. Now we're in January and it is cold outside. In fact, I'll show you right now. It is currently 2 degrees outside, but it says it feels like 16 below. We have a wind chill advisory, and as we approach the evening hours in a few hours, it's going to get to 10 below zero temperature-wise. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know I love to be outside, but this is just a little too extreme with that very strong below zero wind chill. I really can't be outside smoking and grilling or doing anything like that. So I wanted to find something easy that I can cook inside, stay nice toasty warm, and fill the house with a delicious aroma. And this is a great recipe. And basically you get a bag of hash browns. I got these little kind of potato cubed up. I have a green pepper and onion. I got some ham I'm going to cube up, some stuffing mix, sour cream cheese, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, a couple other spices. The great thing about it is everything goes in the slow cooker. You turn it on, let it go all day, and by evening time you have a delicious meal that'll make the whole family happy. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is we're going to melt some butter in a frying pan. I got 1 onion, 1 small onion, and 1 small green pepper. And we're just going to saute this for a couple minutes just to kind of make it a little bit soft, a little translucent. So we'll just give this a few minutes. We'll be back in a second. Alright, it's been around 5 minutes. Starting to brown a little bit. I'm going to give it like another minute or 2, and then we're going to throw it into the bottom of the slow cooker. Be back in a minute. Alright, so here's my slow cooker. I've had it plugged in on low for around 10 minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spray the inside with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm just using this olive oil spray, but any non-stick cooking spray. This is just going to make cleanup a little bit easy. Alright, just like so. Now we're going to add the onions and the green peppers. Next, I'm going to add a bag of hash browns. I'll leave the exact measurements to everything down in the video description. I didn't use hash browns. I used these, well, they call them southern hash browns. You can see they're like chunks. They call it O'Brien style, where it's like these chunks of potatoes. And this bag actually has onions and peppers mixed in as well. So now what we're going to do is stir it up a little bit, kind of incorporate the onions and peppers that we did, like so. Alright, and now we're just going to get the rest of the ingredients, and this isn't very complicated here. So I have 1 tablespoon of minced onion, and then I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to sprinkle that on top. You don't want to go with more than a teaspoon of salt because the ham's got some salt in it. You can always taste it and adjust it as necessary towards the end. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. After the 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And I love these slow cooker recipes because it's just like you dump everything in, give it a good stir, set the timer, and go enjoy the rest of your day. And dinner will be served in the evening when you're hungry, and you'll know when it's ready because the house is going to start smelling delicious. Make sure you scrape all that soup out. Now we're going to add some diced ham. Now you could use diced chicken if you wanted to as a substitution. And then we're going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, now we're going to stir this a little bit here. It calls for 2 cups of shredded cheese. I might put a little extra just because me and my wife, I should say everyone in my family, loves cheese. So just try to grab a spoon or a spatula and try to incorporate as much as you can. Obviously, as this cooks over the next several hours, it'll slowly start to incorporate. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on. I'm probably closer to 3 or 4 cups, but we're cheeseaholics in this family. I'm just going to leave that layer on top. And now the last thing we're going to add is some herb seasoned stuffing. You can buy the stuff in the box. I bought a big pack at Sam's Club of the Petridge Farm, and it came with a 3-pack. Now this is a 16-ounce bag. We want to add around half of this. You want to add around 6 to 8 ounces on top. So I'm just going to do half the bag. I'm just going to try to sprinkle it so we got some of that stuffing on top of everything. We kind of want that on top because we don't want it to get too soggy. We want to kind of have a little bit of crispness to it. Just like so. Alright. Kind of spread that out, just make sure it's evenly. And then last but not least, we have 4 tablespoons of melted butter that we're just going to drizzle on top. I just stuck it in the microwave for around 20 seconds. It's not completely melted. There you go. How easy is that? We're going to put the lid on it. Now if you're in a hurry, put it on high for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to put it on low for 4 to 5. So we'll just let it do its thing. We'll come back later, see how it's doing. Alright, since we have some time to wait till dinner's ready, time for a drink review. This is Cabin Fever from New Glarus Brewing Company. They're only available in Wisconsin, most famous for the spotted cow, but this is supposed to be a honey bock, they say. And in a rare appearance in a drink review, this is my wife Monica.
Hi.
Usually my son Kyle and daughter Ava Grace, but today
I'm in it.
Today she's in it because she likes nothing more than a honey bock beer mid-afternoon.
With my honey.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, you ready? Mid-afternoon.
So, yeah, I like New Glarus. It's good. It's a little pricey. I think it's usually light. This is 6% alcohol, so this is kind of a little heavier, I think, than their spotted cow. The color looks good. What do you smell?
It smells good.
Yeah, I don't really
I'm
smell
concerned
anything.
it's going to be too sweet, but we'll see. I do like spotted cow.
All right, cheers. Cheers to our viewers.
Cheers.
Thanks again, guys, for stopping by. All right, let's see what we think.
Let's do it.
No, it's not very sweet at all.
Surprisingly, it's not.
Maybe right at the end I taste a little bit of honey, tiny bit.
Ooh, but it's kind of pleasant, actually.
It's very drinkable, very, for people that don't like strong beers.
It's palatable.
Yeah, it is. It's very good.
It is good, actually. It tastes different than anything I've had. Good thing it's not more citrusy, or it would be...
Yeah, there's a nice color. Most of these beers in Wisconsin are so light. I like that this is 6% alcohol, so it's got a little bit more of a punch, a little bit more flavor. And when I read honey, I was a little concerned, but it's just a light bit of maybe a little bit of a taste of sweetness on your tongue.
I agree. It is good.
All right, guys, we're going to let this cook here for several more hours.
It smells so good.
We'll be back to show you how it looks like, and give it a taste and let you know what we think in a little bit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers again. Thanks, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, here we are. This is done. Ooh. It's kind of bubbling on the edges there, but the stuffing's still on top. Let's scoop this out and give this a try. Try to get it underneath it a lot too, because there's a lot of stuff underneath the potatoes. Ooh. There you go. Okay.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good comfort food when
Look
it's
at that.
What is it now? 10 below zero?
Oh, it's like 10 below right now. Actual temp, not even wind chill. It's like 10 below.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
And I think they said tonight we're supposed to get to 30 to 40 below wind chill.
Yeah.
So we are under an advisory.
That's
Like, don't go
why-
outside.
That's why I'm not going outside. Okay.
Nor am I. All right. At least it's nighttime. I just hope our cars start tomorrow. All right. So we'll get a little scoopy underneath. Oh, little potato wandering away.
Ooh.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Dixie wants some.
I know, but she can't have that.
You want
Sue.
some, Dixie?
She already ate.
Oh, you want some, Dixie?
I gave her rotisserie chicken in all fairness.
All right.
All right.
Well, here we go.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
All right, we'll be back in a second. Give this a sample. Let's take a look.
I think yours looks a little better.
Is that mine? Because you gave me a bigger look.
Yeah, I have a little less.
Welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
We just scooped this out. Okay.
Oh
let's give
man,
this a
this
try.
has smelled good for the last like 2 hours.
It's very hot.
We'll just blow on your bike. I'm not picking it up. I'll just do it this way.
And it smells delicious.
It's been, the whole house smelled good for the last couple hours.
It was too hot when I put it in my mouth.
Cheers.
Oh,
All right.
cheers. Okay.
Cheers.
Oh.
Wow. Oh wow, what a perfect blend of flavors. Potatoes,
Ooh,
meat.
the potatoes are.
Wait, I gotta
Yeah.
taste it again.
I got to taste it again too. The potatoes kind of. With the ham and that stuffing.
This is really good. Well, how did we not do this earlier?
Yeah, it's hard to explain, huh?
Oh my goodness, this is a definite winner recipe for a busy weeknight. You busy with family, you got kids going to ball games or whatever.
It's kind of a cheesy,
Go put it in.
hammy
It's good.
potato.
But you got the carbs, especially in the winter if you live in an area where it's really cold. But even if you don't, you just need something that's comfort food. Oh my gosh, potatoes,
I
cheese,
love
meat.
potatoes, so yeah.
We got all the veg in there. We got the, you even put extra
Well,
peppers
this is
and
the
onions.
O'Brien potatoes. I would like to try it with the hash browns.
But you also put an extra onion and pepper in there.
Yeah, I did. Which
It's-
I think adds a little bit of flavor.
This is super good. I wouldn't change a thing. It's not even, it's not too salty. I thought it would be because of stuffing and but
No.
the frozen potatoes.
Actually, you probably could put a little more salt.
No, I would not put more salt.
No, I
That's
think
just
you
me.
almost could. But yeah, I
That's
think
you.
you almost
It's you.
could. But
Okay. Well, I personally don't need more salt. This is perfect. Perfect.
as always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. This logo on my shirt down in the corner. Click on that to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll leave a link below and above here in the card for my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. I got all my recipes, video links, pictures. Go check it out.
Yeah. This is going to be really good leftovers too. Oh yeah.
Good stuff. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye. Wow.